Hey everyone, let's see how we can create beautiful presentations using Google's Gemini. So this new feature has been launched very recently and let's see how we can explore the different options. Okay, so here in Gemini, first of all, if you want to directly create your slides, what you need to do, you need to change this mode of the Gemini model to canvas. Set this as canvas, and then what you can do, you can copy paste all your slide contents. If you have a slide outline ready, you can directly copy paste it. For example, I have this slide outline ready in my, it's not exactly a slide outline, some document, some information from where I need to create my slides. So I can copy paste everything and into Gemini and create the slide, or else I can upload any file in PDF, DOCX, etc. First, what I'll do is I'll go ahead with uploading the files. What you can do, you can create an outline, create a file from from your slide outlines in a DOCX format or PDF format, and then upload that to your Gemini system. So I have uploaded this slide outlines. It is not exactly in slide outline format, but it is a document having some information on the topic of chromatography. All right. So what you can do, just ask it to create a presentation. So what I'll go ahead doing is giving it a command like create a 10 slide presentation. Gemini is intelligent enough to understand you and create presentation. So it will take some time to create a presentation. You need to wait for some time because it will analyze your document. You see, these are the different options going on, what it is doing. You can see what it actually is doing with the document that you have provided. It is reviewing your document, then it is gathering different assets to create your presentations, like the images that you require, like some tables that you may require to put in your presentation. It gathers everything because it now has the capability to search the internet, as you already know. So Gemini has become pretty powerful and it is become an indispensable part of our work life. So if you can use it properly, you can have very good outcome and it helps you do your job pretty faster. So it has collected everything. Now it is generating the slides. So these are the steps in which it is going ahead of doing the job of making the slides. All right, it is first researching the topic, then it collects the assets, and then finally it combines everything to create the slides. So it takes a little bit of time to generate those slides. In a couple of minutes, within 4 to 5 minutes, it generates everything. All right, so our presentation is now ready. You can see this is a simple looking presentation. Unlike other AI slide making softwares or the applications or services like Gamma or AI presentation maker, something like that, you don't see very flashy interface, the very flashy design in your slides, because it is toned down design. It's not very flashy, typical of AI. It is not typical of AI. So you get very subtle design. So this is a very simple intro, and then you have these designs. It's very simple human-like design, not flashy. It has collected the images required for the slides and it has done everything. See, you have this gas chromatography. It has collected a image of gas chromatography machine and put it in the proper place for the slides. So it is generating very nice slides. You can edit those slides later on by downloading this slide or by converting it into Google slide. So last slide of the whole of the presentation gives you the sources of the images that it has used in the presentation. So the next part is what you can do. You can download these slides or this presentation as a PDF file. Simply click on this download button. Your slides are converted into PDF and it will be saved into your local machine. It takes a minute or so. So it will download it as PDF. So it is doing its conversion of these slides into PDF. Now you can save it. Our file is now saved. So you can see this. Our presentation is now ready as a PDF file. All right. The second option is you can export your presentation to Google Slides. Simply hitting this export button will generate a Google Slides file. All right. So it is creating the slides, means Google Slides. So it will be available as Google Slides. Okay. Let's see. It will take a minute or so. You need to have some patience in doing this. So it's ready now. Go ahead and open the slides. So you have this editable slides ready. So it is generated with the AI system. Now it is available in your Google Slides, and you can edit it as a normal Google Slides presentation. The best part of having it in the Google Slides format is that you can go ahead and download it as different options like a Microsoft PowerPoint file, open document file, PDF, plain text, or as image, PNG, or SVG. So you have these multiple download options available if you have your presentation saved in the Google Slides format or Google Slides system. And in Google Slides now already have this Nano Banana inbuilt. You can edit these images using the Nano Banana edit image prompt within Google Slides. So this is very advantageous, and it helps you, it can do your job very quickly. All right. So you can, at the last, you have this last slide, which gives you the list of image sources, which you can delete if you do not require in your final presentation. Then now Google Slides also has this new option called, suppose if you select this any slide like this normal slides, you have this option like beautify this slide. It will use Nano Banana to change the design of your slide. So it's very easy due to this AI systems inbuilt or cohesive system of AI in all the Google uh, services like the Google Slides, Google Docs, or Gmail. Everywhere this Gemini is inbuilt nowadays. So you can use use the options or features of Gemini within any of these softwares like Slides and all. So this is the way in which you can create your slides. It's very easy, not anything to think of. You don't have to think a big prompt or something. Simply use this prompt as create a slide or create a presentation. So very simple, to the point. So this is how you can create slides, beautiful slides using Gemini AI. Try to create your next presentation using this model and share your experience in the comments. Thank you very much.